minutes later, magwawa-wawa tayong lahat. Pero before that, syempre mag-blow na si Ate Dance ng candle niya. Ate Dance.
Gabi, Gabi!
Ayan, so ang mag-blow si Ate Dance, later kaya, no? Okay, sabay-sabay tayo, kids! Nakala tayo happy birthday! Up, clap your hands! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Ayan. So, sobrang inaabangan ng lahat. Anong wish ni Ate Beth? Tupad na ba? May iPad na kasi siya eh. Ano pa? Ano pa yung wish mo?
Thank you na lang.